All right, welcome everybody to a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Today I'm going to try and make authentic Philly cheesesteaks, and that starts with thinly shaved ribeye steak. I got this from Walmart. It's already thinly sliced, so it should make it really easy. If you can't find thinly sliced, they do recommend taking a whole ribeye, freezing it, and slicing it really thin. It helps with the cook. I also have some onions, which are authentic, and bell green peppers, which are not necessarily authentic, but I do like the green bell peppers added on my Philly cheesesteak, so I am going to make them with both of these ingredients. Some beautiful Italian French hoagie rolls. There's a lot of debates on what kind of cheese goes on a Philly cheesesteak. I'm going to go with Cheese Whiz because that's my favorite. First thing you need to do is get your griddle really hot. Saute up your onions and peppers. These are going to take a few minutes. Just let them go. Just let them cook and caramelize. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is slice my hoagie roll, add a little butter to both sides, and get these pre-toasted. Move around the onions a little bit. Look, you can already see how they're starting to turn. A little color developing on the onions. That's good. Now look, same thing is happening to my peppers. And what I do with my Cheese Whiz is I got one of these aluminum foil trays just to keep it soft and easy to spread when the sandwiches are done. Alright, so when those are going, I'm going to take this beautiful thinly sliced ribeye. Look how thin this is. See how thin this is? So thin you can see right through it. So I'm going to take this steak, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. I'm going to get off this styrofoam. There's a little olive oil, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. Check out my onions. Oh, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful golden color. All right, and I'm going to pull these over to the side. Let them continue on real low. So just a squoosh of oil, and we're ready to cook. These thin steaks will take no time at all. And I like to break them up and chop them up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them out into portions. Take some of the onions, put them right in there, mix them in. Like I said, I'm going to put some peppers on the one. A little cheese over, and we just drizzle that right across like this. Look at this beautiful. All right. I'm going to drop the roll right on top like this. Like this. And then just scoop up underneath it and flip it over. Woohoo! And that is your chili free steak. That's hot. Now I got this one here, which seemed to break on me. So I'm not sure how we're going to do this one. There we go, just like that. This has got the peppers on it. Look at that. Oh, look at that gorgeousness. All right. Look at that beautiful. Oh. Beautiful. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's dripping cheese. I might even put a little cheese right down the center here. Who doesn't like a little extra cheese? Oh my God. fantastic. The meat is cooked perfectly. The cheese is delicious. It's hot. It's gooey. It's melty. It's a mess. The onions, the sauteed onions, the peppers. Oh my God. I love the peppers. This is my version of the authentic Philly cheesesteak. I think it came out pretty good. And I think it came pretty spot on. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I'm going to enjoy this. And if you did, please subscribe. It'll help me out. And let me know if there's something else you want to see me cook.